Hey, how's it going?
Hey, I'm doing all right, thanks. How about you?
Good. So, I heard you're applying for a new job. How's that going?
Yeah, it's been a bit hectic, but I'm hopeful. I've been sending out applications and networking.
That's great to hear. What kind of positions are you looking for?
I'm mainly focusing on project management roles in the tech industry. I have a background in IT, so I'm hoping to leverage that.
Nice. Have you had any interviews yet?
Yeah, I've had a couple so far. One went really well, but I'm still waiting to hear back from them. Fingers crossed.
Crossing my fingers for you too. How are you preparing for interviews?
Thanks. I've been doing a lot of research on the companies I'm applying to, practicing my elevator pitch, and brushing up on common interview questions.
Sounds like you're on top of it. Any particular company you're really excited about?
Yeah, there's this startup that's doing some really cool stuff with AI in healthcare. I love their mission and the potential impact they could have.
That sounds fascinating. What do you think sets you apart from other candidates applying for similar positions?
I think my combination of technical skills and project management experience gives me a unique edge. Plus, I'm really passionate about innovation and problem solving.
Absolutely, that's a great combination to have. How are you managing the stress of job hunting?
It's definitely been stressful at times, but I'm trying to stay positive and stay organized. Taking breaks to relax and recharge helps a lot too.
That's important. Remember to take care of yourself throughout this process. Is there anything I can do to support you during your job search?
Thanks, I appreciate it. Just having someone to talk to about it and bounce ideas off of is really helpful.
Anytime. I'm here for you. Keep me updated on how things go, alright?
Will do. Thanks for being such a great friend and support system.
Of course, that's what friends are for. Best of luck with everything.